Sales leaders everywhere are asking the same question. How do we train our sales team to use AI tools in a way that actually improves performance without creating risk, confusion, or wasted effort? AI is already showing up inside CRMs, email tools, and research workflows. But without proper training, teams either avoid it completely or use it inconsistently. In this video, we will walk through what AI sales training really means, how it works in practice, how long it takes, what results to expect, and why ongoing support matters if you want adoption to stick. Let us start by defining what AI sales training actually is. AI sales training teaches sales reps how to use AI tools to support the work they already do every day. This includes research, account preparation, outreach messaging, call preparation, follow-ups, and administrative tasks like notes and CRM updates. It is not about replacing sellers with automation. It is about giving reps practical workflows that help them move faster while maintaining quality, accuracy, and judgment. Effective AI sales training also includes critical thinking. Reps need to learn how to ask better questions, validate outputs, and avoid made-up or inaccurate claims. They must understand how to keep messaging compliant, on brand, and aligned with company policies. Training that skips these elements often creates more problems than it solves. At AI Smart Ventures, AI sales training is built around real sales workflows, not generic tool demos. The focus is on how AI fits into your pipeline, your ideal customer profile, and your existing sales motions. That means reps practice using AI with real scenarios they face every day, instead of hypothetical examples that do not translate to the job. Most training engagements include a live session, delivered virtually or in person, followed by structured follow-up workshops. During the core session, reps learn foundations, see live demonstrations, and apply what they learn through hands-on exercises. They do not just watch, they practice. They leave with practical resources such as prompt libraries, templates, and a lightweight playbook aligned to your sales process. Some teams start with training only. Others pair training with workflow design, such as defining how AI supports prospecting, discovery, and follow-up. In some cases, teams also layer in implementation support to align tools, permissions, and processes. The approach is flexible because sales teams are at different stages of maturity. A common question sales leaders ask is how long AI sales training takes. Most B2B teams complete the core training in 2 to 3 hours. This is enough time to establish foundations, introduce key workflows, and practice with real use cases. Adoption then improves through short follow-up sessions delivered over the next 2 to 4 weeks. A typical timeline looks like this. First, a core session lasting 2 to 3 hours that covers foundations, live demos, and hands-on practice using real sales scenarios. Next, follow-up workshops over 2 to 4 weeks. These are shorter sessions, usually 30 to 60 minutes each, focused on reinforcing skills, refining prompts, and reviewing outcomes. Finally, a ramp period of about 30 days where reps build muscle memory, managers spot-check usage, and the team standardizes best practices. Team size and structure matter. Small teams can often train together in one session. Larger or global teams may need staggered sessions by role or region. This keeps training relevant and avoids overwhelming participants with information that does not apply to their role. What results can you expect from AI sales training? The most consistent improvements show up in speed, quality, and consistency. Reps often save time on research and first draft writing, which frees them up for higher value activities like conversations and deal strategy. Many teams see meaningful time savings once workflows and prompt structures are standardized. Common outcomes include faster prospect research and account preparation, stronger personalization at scale for outbound emails and social messaging, better call preparation with clearer discovery questions and agendas, faster follow-ups after calls, cleaner notes and more consistent CRM updates, and more structured objection handling and role-play practice. The biggest gains usually come from reducing friction in repetitive tasks. When reps stop starting from scratch every time, they move faster and maintain higher quality. Training replaces random prompt usage with shared workflows that match how the team actually sells. Measuring impact matters. Sales leaders want to see results, not just participation. Depending on your motion and tracking maturity, impact can be measured through before and after baselines tied to metrics like meetings booked, reply rates, follow-up speed, and time spent on preparation. The goal is to make AI sales enablement measurable and accountable. Another critical topic is integration with your current sales process. AI sales training works best when it fits into existing workflows. You do not need to replace your CRM or rebuild your tech stack to see results. Training focuses on layering AI into key moments where it creates leverage. These moments usually happen before outreach, before calls, after calls, and during pipeline follow-up. Integration typically includes defining where AI supports tasks across stages such as prospecting, discovery, proposals, and follow-ups. It also includes using existing tools like CRM systems, email platforms, call notes, and internal resources. Quality control is a major part of training. Reps learn how to validate outputs, avoid inaccuracies, and keep messaging consistent with brand guidelines. Compliance and data privacy are addressed directly. Reps need clear guidance on what data can and cannot be entered into AI tools. Training includes safe prompt patterns that reduce risk, especially when using public systems. For enterprise teams, training can be aligned with internal security policies and supported with clear do and do not guidelines, so reps feel confident using AI responsibly. One of the most overlooked aspects of AI sales training is what happens after the sessions end. AI tools and best practices evolve quickly. A one-time training session can create awareness, but ongoing support is what turns AI into a reliable part of the sales culture. Ongoing support helps reinforce workflows and prompt habits so reps continue using AI correctly. It allows teams to update materials as tools evolve and messaging changes. It provides a place to troubleshoot when reps get inconsistent results. It also enables managers to coach, spot-check usage, and scale adoption across the team. Support can take many forms, including refresher sessions, prompt library updates, office hours, and lightweight performance reviews tied to adoption. The objective is not to add complexity. It is to make AI usage consistent, safe, and useful over time. To close, training your sales team on AI tools is not about chasing trends. It is about improving how work gets done. When AI sales training is practical, workflow-driven, and reinforced over time, teams move faster without sacrificing quality or judgment. The sales organizations that benefit most are the ones that treat AI as a skill to be learned and maintained, not a shortcut to be used occasionally.